Well, good morning. Good morning to you all. It's the 28th of the 12th of 2025, and today we're heading off to a Christmas charity run for the young farmers. I know you might be thinking, Dieselheid, I've not seen you in a while. You would be right. You would be right. And that's because we no longer drive tractors anymore. So different career path, but that's it. So anyway, back to the tractor run. I've been asked to go down by a good friend of mine to drive one of these tractors. We went down a tractor run last weekend for West Rend Young Farmers, I think it was. That was a good run. The tractor of its choice. It was between the New Hollands or the John Deere's, but these days we're going with the John Deere's. So that was a 6R175. That was an alt power. That was a good try. That was a good tractor going to run, nice and comfy, big. Plenty of poke about it anyway. So this morning we'll head away down here, catch up with my friends, Jake, and I'm not sure who else is coming. Get the crack. I've got the overalls on in case I maybe need to wash a tractor. I'm not too sure. I'm not sure what state the tractors are in after not seen them for a week. Probably not very manky because it was Christmas and they were probably parked up. But you never know. You just never know. So that's the day. I'll see you in a jiffy. So this is my old stomping ground that the tractor runs on today. And I know I keep saying down, it's actually up. You would think after a year not living here you would get used to the correct terminology, because that would always be I'd go down. So wherever I went I was always going down, regardless where it was. But it's actually, I'm coming up. I'm coming up to a tractor run today, and I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm also nervous, right enough, because I've got the GoPro with me today, and I'm going to feel like a complete tube. But for 2026, I want to try and video things, because I don't have a lot of footage or things that I should have of good memories. So I want to try and capture some more things in 2026. For the last 2 years I've not really done much. Yeah, I've done TikTok stuff, but not like I used to anyway. And there probably won't be a lot of tractor stuff, as we're not really doing a lot of that, and I'm not filming spinning spanners. Job's hard enough without fucking trying to do it with a camera in my face. So yeah, this is the old stomping ground. So it'll be quite good, because the route is between, I think it's Cowan, Dorai, Burnley Beef. There's one big loop, and passing by a lot of bits I used to do a lot of work in. So it'll be interesting. It'll certainly be fun. It's looking dry. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. So it will be, or so I am. It's maybe the thing. So we'll see you in a wee bit when we arrive here, which is just the now. So we have arrived at the location to pick up the tractors at my pal's yard. I wonder if he's up yet. Doesn't look like it. What we got in the yard? Nothing, because we're all still in our bed, I think. Where are you, Jake? Yeah, we have 230, but it's not a 230, it's actually a 260 with a 230 bonnet on it, because the old tractor was a 230 and that bonnet was on it, and when it went away we changed the bonnet and the 230 sticker remains, so it's actually a 260 in disguise. And then the rest of the tackle is still in the shed in their working clothes. Smashing. Only good. Get my phone going on. Oh, you need a cut. He's got a nice strip of bolts on. Here at Boston driving school. Working on moving today. Well, the weight box on? Yeah. You get the other one? Yeah. And then the engine. You done that? The top light. I spot the top light, man. What's the top light for it? Piece of tape. Why is it silver? No. It'll be a blue, it's not a John Deere one. Haha. Didn't have that at all, man, is it? Don't need that stupid fucking bracket. That's different. Yeah? That's different compared to the John Deere one. That's the whole top light. 20 green. That's it for that. That's good. Very good. Right. The 175, and we are en route for the tractor run. Yeah, buddy! And here we have behind us is Lee and the 140M. Don't know if you can see him. And then up front is Jake and 245, I think. It's bloody freezing, so we'll just get heating full bore. It's looking dry for the time being. So yeah, we're back on the tractor for the time being. Yeah. This is all stomping ground. We're about to pass. Here we are, stuck at the driver lights. Hopefully Lee will be able to catch us up. There's Rachel, she's waving. Hello Rachel! Can't see her because of the big dark windies. And Jimmy for the Yellowstone, Lee's not caught up yet. Well, just about maybe. We don't get a load all the day. Everything counts. It's all going to a good cause. got a 10 series with Christmas lights or deers or something in the front here. The back here. So the take off point at John Deere dealership. Giant Montgomery's. This is where we're all meeting this morning. And it looks like it could be busy. We've got a couple of tractors here waiting to meet. Looks like a 20 series. And I think it's looking busy. There's a little Billy. Hello Billy. Billy's got a puncture. There you go. Oh yeah, it's working too. And we're off for the tractor run. Hopefully we're going better now, we've got a new battery in. The other one is a bit dodgy, I think. Can we see much up there? I'm at the front of the bag for the Boston team. Makes a change, usually takes at the front. So today the charity for this charity run is Glasgow's Children's Hospital charity. Is what the Beeville farmers are raising funds for. A good cause, good day out. Don't mind a wee tractor run myself, if I say so. So yeah, a great turnout, roughly 60 tractors. So shot 9 times and ain't died. So, we're halfway through the tractor run, probably actually more than halfway, probably 3 quarters. So this charity run today is for Glasgow's Children's Hospital. It's today's charity that Beeville farmers are raising money for. It's a great cause. Join me here in a 6R175 auto power. We've been through Beeve, Kilmarnock to Rye. We're now heading for Kilwinning, where we'll go through Kilwinning and head back for Beeve to join us Montgomery's Yard. So far the run has been great. It's been a great turnout for not just for everybody that's here with a tractor, but people out cheering on, waving, you know, all of that. it's good to see. It's good to see. And and the young farmers are walking the streets, I'm sure, with buckets for donations for a great cause. So I don't really know what else to say to you. Other than it's been a good morning. Well, it's been out into it's after lunchtime now. It's 12:10. There's, well, I counted with the drone 55 tractors, and just at the end there was a few stragglers come in. So I reckon that there's about 60 tractors here, give or take. I mean, that's a good turnout for a Sunday, especially Christmas time. You know, and it's dry, farmers should be busy getting on with other things, but they've taken time out their busy schedule to come. There's a bloody phone again. Put that wee pecker away! So that's us coming to the end of the tractor run. We're just all kind of gathering up before we head back into the yard, and then I don't know what will happen then, but we'll all gather back there and then we'll all be going home, I'd imagine. It's been a good wee day, I must say. The weather has stayed dry. There's been plenty of people out in the streets waving and all the rest of it. And that's about the gist of it, really. I don't know what else to say other than it's been a good wee day. It's been good to go a wee run on a tractor, as we don't really get to do that very often anymore. So I'd just like to take a moment and thank the Boston team for inviting me out last weekend and today. I would just like to say a big thank you to Jake and Robert and Rachel and all the rest of them. It's greatly appreciated. I've fairly enjoyed my wee hurl out in the John Deere. I was going to make a wee comment there about the John Deere, but we'll just we'll no bother. Other than that, that's about the gist of it. You can like, follow, subscribe, hit the little bell, ring it, do what you wish. I don't really know what I'm going to do content wise is we don't drive tractors anymore, so I don't really, well, not be me driving, then out, then work or nothing, I don't think. But what there will probably come is videos of kit working, drone shots, all that kind of carry on. Hopefully, as I kind of plan to do a wee bit, I'd like to go out on the days off or whenever I've got a minute. Catch some kit in action.
No crown needed. I'm strong as I've ever been. I ain't folding, I ain't running. Oh, I'm still drumming loud and clear. I got rust in my blood, but I'm still right here. Still right here.
fucking love that.
Yeah, he's coming in there, Andy. Watch yourself.
I really enjoyed that, by the way.
There's all horse there. in the group today. Jimmy for Yellowstone.
Jimmy!
Come on, you used to be on the camera, come on.
Go on, Jimmy!
Jimmy, come on.
If it's no Jimmy, it's fucking small for the boy in white pyjamas. Fucking one.
White pyjamas?
Striped pyjamas.
Right, if it's white,
And that is the tractor run complete for 2025. Over and out. Parked back in the shed. Hey, big monkey.